Hello everyone, in this lecture we will discuss about the Bronsted-Lowry concept. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the Arrhenius concept. In this lecture we will discuss another concept, which is the Bronsted-Lowry concept about the acid and base. In this lecture the main difficulty in the Arrhenius concept was that it was just for the aqueous solution. But the Bronsted-Lowry concept, which is advanced concept from the Arrhenius concept, and this Bronsted-Lowry concept is about aqueous and non-aqueous solution. So let's start the Bronsted-Lowry concept about the acid and base. According to this concept, acid is proton donor, while base is proton acceptor. Base is a proton acceptor, acid is a proton donor. Like, for example, if we dissolve ammonia in HCl, it will form ammonium ion plus Cl equals solution. So in this case, the HCl is the Bronsted-Lowry acid because it is a proton donor. So this is the Bronsted-Lowry acid. This ammonia is the Bronsted-Lowry base because it accepts the proton. So this is the Bronsted-Lowry acid and base. Similarly, for example, Cl, this is the water. H3O, the hydronium ion, and the Cl, chloride ion. So in this case, the HCl is Bronsted-Lowry acid and the water is Bronsted-Lowry base. So this is the Bronsted-Lowry acid and base. Similarly, H3COOH, acetic acid, so this is the hydrogen proton donor. This is the Bronsted-Lowry acid, while this is the Bronsted-Lowry base because this is proton donor. This is the proton donor and this is the proton acceptor. So in some cases the water act is acid and in some cases water act is base. So those substances which act as base and acid are called amphoteric substances. We will discuss that amphoteric substances in detail in the coming lecture. So this is the Arrhenius, this is the Bronsted-Lowry basis and acid concept. Thanks. If you are new to the channel, like and subscribe.